Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the next part, the next subtopic of our main topic, that is a main function of management, that is known as planning. So today we are going to discuss that what are the various types of plans that an organization prepares or a government prepares. Anyone that is into the business or in a general life basically prepares a plan, does a planning. But whenever we are talking about the larger point of view, that is an organization or a country, then these planning are subdivided into various categories. So today we are going to discuss that what are the various types of plans. So to begin with, we come to a flashback way back on 18th of September 2016. There was an attack done by the Pakistan, again Indian security, and in retaliation to that, Indian government has taken very vast steps. So let us take that thing into consideration while proceeding and connecting that thing to our chapter or this particular subunit. Let's see. This was the scene that we have very much seen at that point of time on various news channels and various medias. We pay tribute. These were the martyrs on the Uri. These are the martyrs of the Uri attack. Now, after getting this attack on India by Pakistan, what Indian government thought? The plan what Indian government made. We are now going to connect that phase to this phase of our chapter, this aspect of our chapter. Now let us furthermore, the Indian government started initiating planning. That was in the name of surgical strike. After such a brutal attack, the Modi government, that is the Indian government, was under a strong pressure to retaliate and teach Pakistan a lesson that defensive policies could be long term. The thing is, defensive policies could be long term. I am emphasizing the word policies. In the later part of this video, you will come to know that why I was emphasizing so much on this particular word. Policies could be long term but not forever. They may be altered. What may be altered? These policies may be altered, keeping objective in mind. So in this particular statement, we have come to take out two words. They are policies and objectives. So now we are going to discuss these things, this statement in detail. That's the topic for the PPT of this particular lecture. To understand the different types of plans, any organization or a government needs to formulate to achieve its objective. Whatever the objectives are made, for the achievement of those objectives, they are the end results. Whatever the organization wants to achieve, get. In fact, in our daily life, we make some objectives of our life. It may be long term, it may be short term, but objective is very much well defined. So for getting these objectives achieved, what we do, what an organization do, what a government do, they make plan. Plans can be divided on two bases. This aspect we have discussed yesterday, on the basis of use and the length of the planning period. So yesterday what we have discussed till now, that there are two types of plans, single use and standing use. So I'm just giving you few seconds, few minutes, just to recapitulate what we have discussed regarding the standing use plan and the single use plan. Just get into it. Come on. Single use, that is only used for once and then it becomes of no use. Standing use, the plans that are made for longer period of time, that may be used several times. It is not like that once a plan is made, that is going to be the standing plan, that is going to be kept by the organization or the government forever and ever. No, it is for the longer period of time. So yesterday we have discussed. Now the basic thing of this particular session lecture starts. Single use plans are categorized into two parts. They may be termed as program and budget. While talking about the standing use plans, the plans are further divided into these four categories. They are policies, procedures, method, rule. So in total, what we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 types of plans. But exactly we have 8 types of plans. So where the 2 types of plans are? They are not mentioned in single use plan. They are not mentioned in standing use plans. So where they are? The 2 types of plans that we have not mentioned under the single use and the standing use, they are neither standing nor single use. They are just plans. So what are the names of those plans? So in total we will have 8 types of plans, not 6. Fine. These 2 types of plans are objectives and strategy. Objectives and strategy, these are neither standing nor single use plan. Rest we have discussed. Now we proceed further. What are the definitions, meanings, features of these various types of plans? Remember that is the most important thing, that a question is being asked every year by CBSE. It may be in the form of case studies, generally it is done so, but it may be in the form of differences or the explanation of a single type of plan. So you need to get what are the features so that you can take out from the case study what type of plan it is talking about. So proceeding further with the first type of plan, that is objectives. Type 1. Again I am mentioning this type of plan is neither standing nor single use. So what objectives are? What you need to look at the case study while finding out which type of plan it is, whether it is objective or not. You need to see the thing that is, it is expressed in numerical form. These are the endpoints. Again, the thing, endpoints. It might be given in your case study. So, objectives are the endpoints which are numerically expressed, and management seeks to achieve within the given time frame. So, two hints will be there in the case study if it is so. That it will be the endpoint, it will be mentioned like that, it may be, or it may be expressed in numerical terms. Whenever either of these two terms you find out from the case study, then it is for sure that is an objective being talked about in the case study. So let us talk about what are the rest of the features in this objective type of plan. It is neither standing nor single use. These objectives, we are having how many level of management that we have studied in the first chapter, dear students? Come on, hurry up. Yes, there are three levels of management: top level, middle level, and lower level management. And below the lower level management are the workers. So this type of plan, the objective type of plan, is made by the top level management. It is the work of top level management. Next feature, they are expressed in specific quantitative terms, numerical terms. I'll just give an example to you later on, that it is focused on the broad issues of an organization, and it is time. So if a question is being asked in CBSE of 3 marks, write about the features of the objectives, then you can cite any of the 3 features. But generally it is asked either in the form of difference or in the form of case study. But you never expect that what has been done in previous by the CBSE will be continued in future also. So this is the definition, and these are the features of objective. Now we talk about, according to the company's point of view, the organization's point of view, what might be an example. Increase in sales by 15% in next quarter. Sales, the technical term that is used in the accounting field is not sales, it is turnover. But in general terms we can say that whenever a company is asking, the top level management is asking the whole of the organization to achieve itna % increase in the turnover or the sale, that is an objective being discussed by the top level management. Is it clear to you, dear students? Come on. Next type of plan is strategy. Again, this strategy comes not under the purview of standing plans and not under purview of single use. There is a second type of plan that is not categorized either in single use or on standing use. So, strategy. What does the strategy means? Strategy is being framed according to the business environment, according to the competitor we have, the situation that is arise, how we are going to retaliate it, how we are going to overcome that particular situation. That for the particular thing we make strategy. So strategy leads to action, quick action. It is the term adopted from military, army, defense. So they are the comprehensive plan for accomplishing firm's objective. फर्म्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव को अचीव करने के लिए एक बड़ा सा प्लान फटाफट से जो बनाया जाए उसे कहते हैं हम स्ट्रेटेजी, अकॉर्डिंग टू द चेंजिंग environment. So that is the third chapter, that is a part of third chapter that we are discussing right now here. Come on, what is this we are talking about from the third chapter? Come on, tell me. Third chapter was business environment. What the nature of the business environment we are discussing in this particular sentence? Exactly, come on, correct, that it is dynamic in nature. The business environment is dynamic in nature, it is ever changing. So what an organization need to do according to the change environment? It will make a plan to achieve the objective. So that particular plan will be termed as strategy. Got it? Now let us discuss what are the dimensions of this strategy. Dimensions, that is the first thing, determining long-term objectives. Whatever the objectives that has been framed earlier, it may be long-term, it may be short-term, but to achieve those objectives, strategy is made. Next, adopting future course of action, that is a plan. Allocating resources, what the resources we have, and we can allocate as early as possible, as fast as possible for getting the objectives achieved. And lastly, there are the general plans keeping business environment in mind. That is the most important thing, the changing environment. Next, example, strong advertising. Using discount as the method of sales promotion. We need to increase the sales. The competitor of the business is done drastically good, say for example, and we need to get into the business again. We need to achieve the objectives of the business. Then what might be the options available to us? These two options may be the strong advertising may be done, and using a discount as the method of sales promotion. So these might be an example in context of the organization of the strategies. Type 3 plan is policy. What the policy means. Dear students, mind it, every type of plan have a separate definition, meaning. You need to understand it very carefully. So what the policy, we generally use the policy term, we casually use the term policy. It's the policy of the government, it's the policy of the organization, but what does the policy actually means? That we are going to discuss in this type of plan. That is, they are the general guidelines. They are not very much specific. They are general guidelines on the basis of which the organization will be working on. It means that is which type of plan? That is standing use plan, not single use plan. Policy. A policy क्या क्या हो सकता है? Policy is a general guidelines that guides thinking. That is an action. What the organization thinks. I'll take an example of Tata. We just get it. In the present scenario, that is, we are fighting with the corona. Not only we, the whole of the world, but what the Tata said, what the policy of Tata have, that they are not going to lay off any of the employees. They are not going to lay off any of the employees. That is, employees will be the employees of the organization. They will not be kicked out. So that is the beauty of the Tata. That is the policy they have. So it channelizes to particular direction. किसी डायरेक्शन में चलने के लिए पॉलिसी हमको हेल्प करती है. What are the features that we discuss? Number one, it guides towards managerial action and implementation of strategy. How the strategy will be implemented in any course of time, that will be decided by the policy. But again, I am telling you, standing use plan are not forever. That may be changed. That we have discussed in the first slide. हमारे इंडिया की पॉलिसी है कि हम किसी पर अटैक नहीं करेंगे, पॉलिसी है हमारी, मगर that may be changed according to the strategy, but generally it is not changed. जैसे अभी आपने देखा कुछ दिनों पहले इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने अमेरिका को और अदर कंट्रीज को कोरोना की जो हमारी मेडिसिन हम यूज कर रहे हैं, जो मलेरिया में हम यूज करते हैं, वो हमने बहुत लार्ज क्वांटिटी में एक्सपोर्ट करी. दैट वाज द पॉलिसी प्रायर टू द एक्सपोर्टिंग, दैट इट विल नॉट बी एक्सपोर्टेड. इट इज मेंट टू बी कंज्यूम्ड इन इंडिया ओनली. But the need of the time to help others, we change the policy. You know, we have America and other countries by sending a large quantity of that medicine. So this specifies general response to a certain situation. General response to a certain situation, that is a particular situation that we make according to the strategy. Example. What might be the examples of policy? I have cited two examples, one of Tata's and one of India. Now we come to some more examples. What we will sell, what does here V stands for? Here the V stands for an organization. We will sell on credit and cash basis both. It is general policy that we are not going to confine to cash sales only, we are not confined to credit sales only. We will be dealing in cash and credit sales both. So that is an example. Now we come to the next type of plan, that is type 4 plan, procedure. We very much use this word, procedure. But what actually the meaning of this particular term is according to the management? Procedure is sequential routine steps. Sequential, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद, sequential routine steps. जो होगा ही होगा डेली लाइफ किसकी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, टू कैरी आउट ब्रॉड पॉलिसीज. बड़ी चीज को लेके आने के लिए जो रूटीन प्रोसीजर हम फॉलो करते रहेंगे उसको हम कहते हैं प्रोसीजर. अगेन it is carried out in chronological order. We have used this word chronological several times in class 11th. In which subject? Come on, accountancy. And in which particular chapter? Journal. Chronological entries are recorded in chronological order. So here it is carried out in chronological order. What? The procedure. सीक्वेंशियल है ना, सीक्वेंशियल यहाँ हमने एक वर्ड यूज किया तो उसी को यहाँ में टेक्निकल नाम हमने इसको दे दिया, दैट इज ऑलवेज इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर. टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, सॉरी एग्जाम्पल विल डिस्कस आफ्टर डिस्कसिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. इट इज मेंट फॉर इनसाइडर्स टू फॉलो. व्हाट this type of plan says that it is only meant for insiders. There are two types of business environment, the inside environment of the organization and the outside environment of the organization. So this procedure is followed by the insiders. Example, target market for sales is north and south. Target market. So we have now to target a particular market in a sequential form. First we are going to hit the North India and then South India, or simultaneously both at the same time. So this is a procedure that we follow. that an organization may follow. Next, we come to the rules, standing plans. एक बार बन गए, चेंज नहीं होंगे. Generally, rules are specific statements. They are very much confined, objective. बहुत शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखे होते हैं, क्लियरली बताते हैं क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना, what is to be done, what not is to be done. That is, it is specified clearly what is to be done and what not to be done. So these are the rules. Third, does not allow any flexibility. इसके अंदर कोई भी इधर उधर नहीं जा सकता. लिखा है करना है तो करना है, नहीं करना है तो नहीं करना. ठीक है. एंड देयर इज अ पेनल्टी फॉर वायलेशन. अगर कोई इसको वायलेट करता है तो क्या मिलेगी? पेनल्टी. टेक एन एग्जांपल इन करंट सिनेरियो, कोरोना वाला रूल बना दिया, बाहर कोई नहीं निकलेगा बिना बात में घूमने के लिए. अगर कोई निकला तो क्या होगा? पेनल्टी क्या है आप सब जानते हैं, देखते भी हैं आजकल, है ना. सो एग्जाम्पल क्या हम ले सकते हैं? एवरी एग्जाम्पल दैट यू विल बी साइटिंग इन योर आंसर शीट ऑफ बोर्ड, दैट विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंपनी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. It is whatever we are talking about in general terms, that is to make you understand. But while writing your answers, think according to the organization. So what, maybe an example right over here, that no smoking in the office premises. Smoking is not allowed. Not allowed means अगर वो कोई करेगा, करता हुआ पाया गया, पकड़ा गया, तो मिलेगा क्या मिलेगा? क्या मिलेगा? पेनल्टी मिलेगा. Got it? So this is an example. This was the type 5. Now type 6 of plan is method. Procedure method बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं बट बहुत अलग. प्रोसीजर पॉलिसीज को सीक्वेंशियल एक्टिविटीज में फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कि क्या क्या हमारी एक्टिविटीज होती है, और मेथड्स का एक छोटा सा पार्ट. देखिए क्या है. Methods is the prescribed way. उस प्रोसीजर के अंदर किस तरीके से मूव करेंगे, in which the task is to be performed. The method, that is known as method. So methods deals with one step of procedure. हर एक प्रोसीजर का छोटा सा एक स्टेप, that is method. Got it? पॉलिसी को अचीव करने के लिए हमने क्या बनाया? प्रोसीजर बनाया. सीक्वेंशियल एक्टिविटीज ब्रॉड टर्म्स. हमें नॉर्थ इंडिया के अंदर सेल्स इंक्रीज करना है, हमें साउथ इंडिया के अंदर अपने आप को एस्टेब्लिश करना है. दैट इज द पॉलिसी एंड द प्रोसीजर्स. अब उस प्रोसीजर के अंदर किस तरीके से करेंगे, हर एक स्टेप को डिटेल में हम जब मेंशन करते हैं, दैट बिकम्स मेथड. सो मेथड डील्स विद वन स्टेप ऑफ द प्रोसीजर एंड स्पेसिफाइज हाउ each step is to be performed. Fine. So that is, next we come to budget. बजट क्या है? बहुत कॉमनली हम यूज करते हैं, हर साल यूज करते हैं बजट. तो एग्जांपल्स ऑफ बजट्स इज डिस्कस्ड एज सेल्स बजट, परचेज बजट, कैश बजट. देयर विल बी वेरियस एग्जांपल्स. मगर बजट है क्या? एग्जाम्पल्स तो हम बाद में देखते हैं, पहले पता तो होना चाहिए. तो बजट क्या है? बजट है, बजट इज अ स्टेटमेंट. अगेन माइंड इट इज इन क्वांटिटी टर्म्स. ठीक है. स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट्स विच इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन न्यूमेरिकल टर्म्स. एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट्स क्या होंगे, क्या नहीं होंगे, क्या हो सकता है, दैट इज बजट. आज की डेट से एक महीने बाद न्यूमेरिकल टर्म्स से जब हम करेंगे, डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे, कहाँ हम देखते हैं, दैट इज टर्म्ड एज बजट. तो इट इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट टूल फॉर कंट्रोलिंग प्रोसेस. कंट्रोल इज विच फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड वेरियस फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. सो कंट्रोलिंग इज which stands at which number of management. Come on. Correct. 5th number of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So last that we did, that is this program. कितना मिलता जुलता हो रहा है, प्रोसीजर, मेथड, है ना, पॉलिसीज, और ये प्रोग्राम एक चीज नहीं आती. हम बहुत बार वर्ड यूज सुनते हैं प्रोग्राम. आज कौन सा प्रोग्राम है भाई, आज तुम्हारा क्या प्रोग्राम है, कितनी कॉमनली हम यूज कर लेते हैं प्रोग्राम. मगर प्रोग्राम जब हम मैनेजमेंट की कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बात करते हैं, सोचते हैं, समझते हैं, तब इसका बहुत ही वाइड प्रोस्पेक्टिव होता है. ये एक प्लान का टाइप हो जाता है जो कि बहुत मेजर है. देखते हैं क्या है. अगर इसको सिंपल वर्ड्स में कहूं, इट इज द सम टोटल ऑफ ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान. टोटल वर्ड्स टोटल है ना, सम टोटल ऑफ ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान, दैट इज प्रोग्राम. कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव, कुछ स्ट्रेटेजीज, कुछ पॉलिसीज, कुछ मेथड्स, कुछ बजट्स. तो एक्चुअल वर्ड्स में अगर इसको हम एक्सप्लेन करें तो क्या होगा, देखते हैं. एग्जाम्पल क्या है, ओपनिंग अ न्यू सेल्स यूनिट, दैट इज अ प्रोग्राम. हमारा प्रोग्राम ये है. किस तरीके से चीज करेंगे तो जब डेफिनेशन पढ़ते हैं तब पता चलेगा. प्रोग्राम्स आर इन डेप्थ स्टेटमेंट, इन डेप्थ. इट इज नॉट ऑन द ओवरव्यू, इन डेप्थ, डिटेल में, that outlines the company's policies. कि कंपनी की पॉलिसीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया जाता है. डिटेल में कंपनीज की पॉलिसीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया जाता है. कंपनी के रूल्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया जाता है. कंपनीज के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया जाता है. प्रोसीजर्स को और वेरियस अदर एस्पेक्ट्स को. डिटेल में कंपनी की सारी जितने टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान है उसकी आउटलाइन को कवर करता हुआ जो हमारा प्लान है उसको हम कहते हैं प्रोग्राम. The minutest detail are worked out within the broad policy framework. जो हमारी पॉलिसी है, जो बहुत बड़ी पॉलिसी है, उसको डिटेल के अंदर हम जब एनालाइज करके बनाते हैं तो उसको हम कहते हैं प्रोग्राम. So just for the revision sake, types of plan are objectives, policies, strategy, procedure, rules, method, budget and program. Just to recapitulate, objectives are defined as the end which the management seeks to achieve within the given time. It is always in numerical terms. Increase sale by 10% in the next quarter. Policy क्या है? Policy general guidelines which bring uniformity in decision making for the achievement of the predetermined objectives. Strategy क्या होगा? Strategy is a comprehensive plan for achieving an organization's goal. कॉमन सी बात है, ये तो हर एक जगह यूज हो रहा है. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गोल को अचीव करने के लिए इट इज सेट बाय टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट आफ्टर स्टडिंग बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. नेक्स्ट, प्रोसीजर. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ सीक्वेंशियल एक्टिविटीज टू कैरी आउट द एक्टिविटीज विद इन द पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क. रूल्स, they are the specific, very much specific statements, what is to be done, what is not to be done. Method, they are the standardized way or prescribed manner in which a task has to be performed considering the objectives. Next, budget is a plan which states expected results of a given future period in a numerical terms. Last is program. Program is detailed statement about a project which outlines the objectives, policies, procedures, rules, tasks, resources required to implement any course of action. So this is all about the planning that we have discussed till now. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good day.